What's up, y'all? I'm playing with my daughter, Hazel. Right, Hazel? Ready? Ready? Rick, she wants it so bad. Don't go to the pool. Trying to be careful with this. Look at this. Look at Belle chilling in the cold weather, which I'm cold right now, guys. There's my birthday girl. Babe, say hi to the vlog. I'm at her house, y'all. Yes, sir. For the first time meeting my daughters. 1, 2. 1, 2. You want to say something to the vlog, babe? Go subscribe to her channel. I'll put the link in the description below. So yeah, guys, this is her house right there. So pretty cool, not bad. I like the house. Big. Look when I take look, she knows that I'm gonna take the toy from her. Look, watch the dude. Ah! I got the toy. I got the toy. I got the toy. What you gonna do with it? What are you gonna do with it? What are you gonna do about it? I don't know if I catch that on camera. That was crazy what she did. Hazel. Belle. What are you doing? There's Hazel. Hazel. What are you doing, huh? You chilling? Yes, sir. So yeah, guys, this is the pool. Oh shoot! God, I always tripping by these. This is the pool. This is how the pool looks like. This big. This big pool. Yeah, this is a big pool right here. Gosh. There goes Belle barking at someone. Belle. 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 What are you barking at? Really? What are you barking at? Spending time with wifey. Right, baby? Yeah. My baby girl. There's my daughter, number 1, and number 2. My nose is getting stuffy because I'm in cold weather. Yes, sir. Hazel. She's fluffy. Look at that. She's sitting down. Look at her. She's sitting down too. All the way down there. Hazel loves the daddy. Right? Right, Hazel? Oh boy. I'm gonna sit down. Hazel. Hazel. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the people. Hazel. Oops, sorry guys. Hazel, say hi to the vlog. Hazel, say hi to the people. No? Hey, I'm cold. I'm dying in the cold weather. Alright guys, we'll try to vlog more. Oh, never mind, hold on. She wants the toy, y'all. Yeah, she's trying to. Oh, she caught it. I didn't even throw it. Oh, and she almost dropped me in a hole. Here she comes. I'm watching TikTok. What's up, guys? What's up, people? I can't speak, guys. What's up, people? Say hi to the vlog. Say what's up to the vlog. Got her toy, guys. Bell. Alright guys, we're gonna vlog again once we get some crazy stuff here, but yeah, stay tuned for part 2, and yeah, this is it. I'm gonna be chilling with the dogs, and I'm also gonna be chilling with the wifey, right? Beba, go find your sister. Go find your sister. Alright, y'all. Alright, catch you guys on part 2. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. Thank you guys for support and love. And yeah, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.